Okay.
It's like a bundle.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is great. So this is the bridal suite here at W Punta Cana, the brand new adult only all-inclusive, their first entry into the all-inclusive world. And look at the size of this bridal suite, absolutely beautiful. So this will have an additional package cost, but how great to get ready. There'll be champagne, there's bathrooms, there's a shower over there. So I've seen lots of bridal suites. They're not normally this big. So this is a great space to get ready with the ladies. Plenty of room. There'll be snacks, champagne, and the package price, they're working on that right now, but definitely something that I would recommend for brides.